Hello, I'm Nancy Vetters, the Outreach and Instructional Librarian here at Mitchell College. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to search a database and obtain the full text of articles. We will be searching Academic Search Complete, a comprehensive database available to Mitchell College Library users. However, the same basic method applies to all of our databases. To find databases, go to the Mitchell College Library's homepage. Click on Articles, and you will see the list of databases that are available to you. Over here on the right, we have selected the 4 most popular databases at Mitchell College. I'm going to click on this one, Academic Search Complete, to begin a search. We want to find some specific information, so let's click on Advanced Search. This will help us obtain more precise and relevant results using some basic search strategies. For example, if investigating allergies in children in the United States, we would use the following search strategies. Let's start with United States in quotes. United States without the quotes would look for the word United and the word States, but not necessarily together. In the second line, add the second concept to the search by clicking on subject terms and typing in the word allergy. Note that it will suggest adding other forms of the word allergy to include allergies, allergen, or allergic. Now we'll do the same with the third line. Choose subject and type in the word children. Note that this is including adolescents or youth or child or teenager. You could continue to add more search terms by clicking on this plus sign. But let's continue with the search that combines these 3 critical concepts from the topic of your investigation. At this point, we may want to limit the years of coverage or by document type for searching. Let's search the past 5 years, and let's limit the search to academic journal articles only. Let's search. The results are 154 number of records that match our search criteria. The list is sorted from the most relevant article to the least, but you can change the sort order with this dropdown if you wish. Each record returned provides some basic bibliographic information about the resource. It includes authors, subject terms, author-supplied keywords, and an abstract, which summarizes the information in the article. You can access this article by choosing a PDF, the online full text, or you can download it to your computer. You can also create a citation for this article. Click on the quotation marks to create a citation, and then choose what type of format you need. You can copy this to your clipboard. Using a database to research your topic is a process that includes appropriate keywords and a search strategy. If you have any questions about using our resources, don't hesitate to contact the librarians.